Hey, thanks for joining us here on BWC Publishing Channel. My name's Wayne. Picked up a couple of little Lego kits. Thought we'd open them and build them. This one is the City. It's called Satellite Service Mission and it's number 60224. Has 84 pieces and one little minifigure. Pretty nice little thing. Looks like he's putting out a satellite here. I'm going to build this. We use stop motion animation when we build this stuff. Takes a lot of pictures, but it's a lot of fun. A lot of times I have a surprise ending, so don't go away till you watch the ending. You never know what'll happen there. Okay, let's put this one together.